Hello to everyone. Welcome my YouTube channel. Before starting to the video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon by which you can watch our latest and informative videos. So let's start today with video. In this video I will tell you how to earn money online through different methods. In last video we discussed three methods, which one were first was the Google AdSense, and second was affiliate marketing, and third one was the consulting. Now we will discuss the fourth method of online courses. If you have any skill, you can teach others. It is also possible to set up online courses. You can market online. You can find online courses that teach anything from cooking to marketing or even freelancing. I even offer my own courses for financial advisors who want to take their businesses online. The online advisor growth formula. Last year I profiled my friend Joseph Michael of Essay Courses Creation. Michael offered several different courses, including courses on a writing software called Scrivener. Over the years, Michael has earned six figures or more that help people achieve the kind of success he has earned. Most people set up their online course through a platform like teachable.com, with Teachable you can upload your course materials and use the platforms to manage consumers and accept payments. Method to earn money online is podcasting. Another way to make money online is by hosting an online podcast. I have the Good Financial Sense podcast to go along with my blog, and I use that platform to find new sponsors and advertisers all the time. I still remember getting my first sponsor on the podcast and finding out they are willing to pay $8,000 for me to include a short clip at the beginning of each product podcast for 90 days. That was exciting to meet me at the time, since I was to monetize my podcast that much at first. However, there are tons of people making a lot more than me on their podcast. Take the entrepreneur on Fire podcast hosted by John Lee. According to the show's most recent podcast, brought in net income of over 4 lakh dollar in March 2018. November. The key to getting ahead with podcasting is finding your Nike, growing an audience, and then finding ways to monetize and connect with sponsors. This is not the easiest way to make money online since there are a lot of logistics that go to the writing, recording, editing, but still worth considering. Second, the sixth method is block book sales. While the publishing industry used to be heavy in print, you can complete the entire process of writing, publishing, and marketing a book online. These days, websites like Create Space upload and take your book to print without getting a formal publisher involved, and you can even get your book on Amazon.com so people can buy it there. A blogger I knew named Joseph has a successful blog, My Work from Home Money, and a thriving book. He has published online to create an ongoing source of passive income. He averaged about 685 books sold per month to bring in an average of 1,850 new. Not bad. Oh. The seventh, guys, please stay with me, and the next methods will be discussed hopefully in next videos. Please stay with us. That's all from my side. If you have any query or question related to this video,